What's up guys, welcome back to another video of unboxing and unboxing some the one that I bought in Amazon. So enjoy and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and peace out. See you guys next time. How's that? So let's open this bad boy up. Let's see what we can do. Oh, waiting this one to be on sale, and it's really not sponsored. It's not sponsored. Okay, so this one. First things first. Let's open this white plastic bag. Open it nicely. Oh no, oh no. And the piece of the resistance, my green screen. Finally, I received it, and my green screen, guys. I can't wait. My green screen is the best ever. And the second time that I get is this kind. Cinematic Theory and Practice. Wow, it's really good. Ooh, my boys. My boys is how much? It doesn't say. It doesn't say how much. I wanted to buy the hardcover one, man, but it's so expensive, that one. It's like 100 something for the hardcover book. Game over. Okay, so my green screen for now, I'll put it over here at my thing. So it's incredible, you know? Wow. Come on, man. Come on, man. Cover my stuff here. It's all good. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. And now I got a precision computer over here, side here, so that you guys can actually like a professional, yeah. Put my camera, my computer here, and I'll put my green screen in the back. So cannot wait. I'm gonna set it up. Maybe tonight I'll finish this up, and yeah, I'm gonna read this too. Shout out to the guy of Blaine Brown. A lot of tips and tricks on this on this cinematography, how you can really good edit your cinematic videos and all that stuff. Yep, so it's really good. Read this thing. It's a lot. It's gonna be a lot, bro. But don't forget to read the Word of God first. Yeah. So that's it. This is gonna be. It's not an update. It's just gonna be a unboxing. That I got my green screen on deck for some gaming. And yeah. What else? Yeah. Bunch of stuff there. As you can see, my games and my movies are in there. My cameras, my GoPros are in there. So yeah, it's 2019. It's gonna be big. 2018 was okay, kind of okay, but we have some difficult times, some obstacles in life. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. There will be more videos to come, you know. As soon as I set this up, everything will be great. And yeah, I think that's about it. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.